So this, you hear that motor?
Yeah.
So when we're doing it the opposite way, when we're turning on, that motor has to prove before the fan will kick in over there.
Has to what?
Prove, like, it'll send to make sure that it'll be interlock, and then this light will come on, and then it'll show that it's open.
That's the motor for the dampers.
Yep. So that fan on the other end can't go until we have this up and running.
Okay.
Fires the same time.
So does this go outside then?
Yep.
Is it pulling in?
Yep.
Pulling in. That's that big grill we see outside, yeah. This is the only place that pulls it in, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And then this is the main shut off. These are your filters. These are washable filters. And these are washable. Just spray them out
The hose, right?
with a hose.
Can you reach over on the other side or something? You get on the other side too?
There is.
Yeah, we can get in.
I ain't gonna reach in there.
I always have a hook, like a milk hook.
We have little kids we can run in there together.
I've used everything from saying little kids to know it.
Child labor wise, you know. Little gremlins, you know.
We're gonna be in the news yet.
Yeah, that's pretty much the unit. Pretty
Uh,
awesome unit.
Fan, and again, fan part.
So here's the big thing. Make sure this thing is shut off before you go in there.
Absolutely, yeah.
The way it's gonna work is it has to ground up. This is the long range.
Yeah. I'll use this, yeah.
Yep, there's some
So
right
that's
there.
it right there.
So you have to have that device to make it work properly. Correct?
This guy,
Yeah. That must be it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Pretty sure.
there's a different kind of card reader for this.
No, that's oil can.
That's all. Yeah.
Oh no, that's
That's good. Yeah.
There's this one there.
Wireless kind of thing.
There's one up here too.
So I'd put that on annual maintenance.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Finally put Ray in that whole week.
How are you using that? Well, this doesn't run constantly. I'll see how it runs, I guess. Things that run all the time, I hit them monthly, actually. I just kind of get ready to snort. Except for things on the roof and it's 20 below, I think it skipped that range.
And this tour surprised me at first. I came down here and